In this video, I'm gonna show you how to program the ETU inside of a NOVRITSCH gun. I'm gonna demonstrate this with the SSR9, but if you have a different one, the process is exactly the same. Before we start, I'm gonna put on safety glasses because we will be shooting the gun. We will not shoot with BBs, but we have to cycle. We have to pull the trigger in order to activate the programming, so it will shoot. If there is a BB inside, one might come out. So make sure you are aiming into something that you are not willing to destroy, or just make sure you don't hurt anyone. All right, we will fire one round. Now I know it's empty. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna hold it like this, but you should keep always aiming into something that is safe. Maybe a towel, maybe a cardboard box, something that will just be safe. How do we enter the programming? I have it set on semi and I'm gonna pull the trigger and keep holding it until I hear beeps. There we go. Now we can hear beeping, and that indicates that the gun is in programming mode. Now you are getting 1, 2, or 3 beeps after one another. That indicates 3 different things. The first one is programming a binary trigger on semi. The 2 beep one is programming burst on full auto, and the third one is programming precocking. More on that later. Now let's say I want to use binary. I know that that is the first 1 beep, and I'm gonna enter that mode. So I'm gonna wait for 1 beep. 1 beep, gonna pull the trigger, and now it changes from 1 beep to 2 beeps, and that gives me the option to select either normal on semi, so 1 shot on semi, or the 2 beeps is 2 shots on semi, so binary trigger basically. So let's program it to binary. 2 beeps. And now the programming finished, and this gun is now in binary mode. Let's test that. You can see fire, 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 fire. So now this is how you program binary on your NOVRITSCH replica. Now just to illustrate how fast it can go, I'm gonna show you how to program burst. So I'm gonna put it on fire, gonna show it on the top camera this time. Enter the programming. Two beeps, gonna confirm that. 1 is normal, 2 is burst, confirm. Now programming is over, and I can test on full auto what I'm getting. And I'm getting a 3-round burst. I'm gonna demonstrate that that is actually the case. Only 3-round burst, and here on semi I have binary. So this is something you can do. Then there is the third option, precocking, and I'm gonna show you in the other video with the SSR63.